Ever wondered what it's like to hit that record button for the very first time? Wondering for about 2 years now. Watched hundreds of videos, bought a couple of cheap lights, and written dozens of scripts. But today, it's finally happening. If you've been thinking about starting your own YouTube channel, feeling that pull but also that paralysis, this one's for you. Because I'm taking my very first shaky steps into content creation, and I'm bringing you along for the ride. The jitters are real, the excitement is louder, and I'm going to share exactly what's going through my mind right now, unfiltered. Heart rate? Definitely elevated. Doubts? Oh, they are absolutely present, asking me who I think I am to be doing this. But here's the thing I keep telling myself. The only way past the fear is directly through it. Maybe you're watching this with that same itch to begin, that same script sitting on your desktop. You're not alone in this feeling, not even close. There are thousands of us waiting on the sidelines. So welcome to the first video. Promise to be simple. I'll show you the nerves, the gear choices, the tiny wins, and all the mistakes you are about to make. There's no fancy studio, just a plan to finally start. If I can push through this awkwardness, I know you can too. And I promise to keep it real, every step of the way. This isn't about perfection, it's about progress. I'll talk to you like a friend, because honestly, I could use one right now too, because that's how we begin, together. So stick around and let's figure this out. Ready? Let's do this. So you want to start a YouTube channel, but you're not sure where to begin. It feels like standing at the bottom of a huge mountain, right? You see all these other creators who seem to have it all figured out, and the gap between their polished videos and your starting point feels impossibly wide. Believe me, I get it. That feeling of paralysis is completely normal. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on my absolute first video, and I want to talk about the mental hurdles we all face. It's a mix of excitement, sure, but also a tidal wave of nerves. There's that little voice in your head, the one that whispers, what if it isn't good enough? What if no one watches? What if people I know see it and think it's cringy? That fear of judgment is real, and it's powerful. I've Googled all the things too. Best beginner camera, how to get good audio, what to talk about in your first video. It's a rabbit hole of information that can lead to analysis paralysis. I've overplanned, second-guessed, and delayed for weeks, even months. I convinced myself I needed a better script, a better camera, a better day. But that's just perfectionism wearing a clever disguise. It's a trap that keeps you from ever starting. But today is about action. It's about reframing those fears. So here's the first reframe. Instead of what if it's not good enough, ask what can I learn from this first attempt? Second, instead of what will people think, tell yourself I'm making this for one person who needs to hear it. And third, instead of I'm not ready, say I'm ready enough to start. That clap, it's my promise to myself to keep moving forward, even if I stumble, and I will stumble. I'll probably forget my lines, the lighting won't be perfect, and I'll say a lot, but I'll keep rolling. Starting is a date with yourself you decide not to cancel. It's about honoring your own intention. If you're scared, it means you care. That fear is just energy. It proves this matters to you. Every first step is awkward, but you only get one first. Embrace it. This is your before photo. One day you'll look back at this video and be so proud that you did the hard thing and just started. So use what you have. Your phone is a phenomenal camera. Make the shot steady, make the sound as clear as you can, and speak like you're calling a friend to tell them something exciting. Authenticity connects more than any fancy equipment. Remember, perfection is a moving target you'll never hit. But consistency is a compass that will always point you in the right direction. So here's your micro task for today. Don't worry about the whole video. Just set up your phone. Tidy the space behind you. That's it. Create an environment that feels calm and inviting. Set your intention. Here's the roadmap I'm following today. It's simple, it's manageable, and it's designed to get me from idea to uploaded without getting lost. And you can steal it. Please do. This isn't a competition. It's a community. We're in this together, taking that awkward, terrifying, and wonderful first step. Okay, let's talk setup. I want to give you a simple, practical checklist to run through before you hit record. Getting these few things right makes a huge difference and lets you focus on your message, not the tech. We're aiming for good enough to start, not Hollywood perfect. First, the easiest win you will ever get: clean your camera lens. Seriously. Fingerprints and dust create a hazy, low-quality look. A quick wipe is an instant, free upgrade to your video quality. Next, position your camera at eye level. Filming from below can feel intimidating, and filming from above can feel diminutive. Eye level feels like a natural conversation, like you're talking directly to a friend. It builds connection. Now for light. Soft light always beats harsh light. Here's a good Vizziest better example. A single overhead light creates harsh shadows. The best free light source is a window. Face it, or position yourself at a 45-degree angle to it for some nice, gentle modeling on your face. If you have a light, warm it slightly to match the room. It just feels more inviting. And now, the most important element: clear audio over everything. People will forgive mediocre video, but they will click away instantly for bad audio. Here's another good visuals. Better. Your phone's built-in mic is okay, but an inexpensive lavalier mic is a game changer. It gets the microphone close to your mouth, which is key. Also, record in a room with soft surfaces, couches, rugs, even a few pillows to kill any echo. Back on your phone, find the grid lines in your camera settings. Use them to frame your eyes along the top third line. Then, tap and hold on your face to lock the exposure and focus. This stops the camera from distractingly changing brightness while you move. Tidy your frame edges. What's behind you? Remove anything that doesn't need to be there. A simple, clean background keeps the focus on you. A plant or a lamp in the distance can add some nice depth, but kill the clutter. Keep prompts visible, but just as bullet points, not a word-for-word script. This helps you sound natural, not like you're reading. And finally, silence your notifications. Protect the take. You don't want a perfect delivery ruined by a text message buzz. Okay, rolling on, take one. Check your audio levels. Aim for consistent levels in the yellow, not peeking into the red. You want it clear, not loud and distorted. A simple clap at the beginning creates a sharp spike in your video and audio tracks. This little trick saves so much time when you're syncing them up in the edit. Trust me on this one. Now, just breathe, one beat at a time. You've done the prep. You're ready. Editing doesn't have to be fancy. Cut the gaps. Keep the heartbeat. Add simple context, not clutter. Nudge exposure. Add a touch of warmth. A bit of cleanup goes far. Keep the human moments. Done is better than perfect. Exporting. This is where doubt tries to return. Let it pass. Pick a bright, honest thumbnail. Add one bold word. Keep it readable small. Title, description, tags. Simple and true. Lead with value and clarity. Write for humans first. Give viewers a next step. Schedule if you can. Protect your routine. Commit to a time you'll show up. Line up your second and third video ideas. Imperfect, but mine. Click. Release. Breathe. You can do this too. Here's what I learned on day one. Start small. One story, one take. Prioritize audio. Nerves mean you care. Progress beats perfection every single time. Tidy your frame. It reads as care. Use prompts, not a script. And most of all, be honest. Beginnings feel small. They're not. Metrics will come. Your job is to show up. If you're on the edge, consider this your nudge. Set a tiny goal for today. Give yourself 3 reps this week. Drop a comment. What's your channel idea? I'll cheer you on. Subscribe if you want to build from zero with me. Same space, new courage. From here, it's just reps. Start scared. Start anyway. I'm glad you're here. See you soon. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and my other channels. Any comments?